The indirect object is the person in a sentence to whom or for whom something is said or done. For example, I am talking to you. An indirect object pronoun or pronombre de complemento indirecto is sometimes used in place of an indirect object. You already have used the indirect object pronouns with the verb gustar. They look the same as the direct object pronouns with the exception of le and les. Me, to me or for me. Te, to you or for you when you is tú. Le, to you or for you when you is usted. To him or for him. To her or for her. Nos, to us or for us. Les, to you or for you when you is ustedes. To them or for them. The rules for placement of an indirect object pronoun are the same as those you learned for direct object pronouns. They usually precede a conjugated verb, but may be attached to an infinitive or present participle. In the case of the present participle, which in English is the ing form of the verb, you have to add an accent mark to maintain the original pronunciation. For example, in front of the conjugated verb, te estoy hablando, attaching to present participle, writing the accent, estoy hablándote. An example where the indirect object pronoun is placed in front of the conjugated verb without present participle or ing form. Te voy a decir un secreto. Then attached to the infinitive. Voy a decirte un secreto. Both ways for using the present participle or ing form. Ana me está hablando or Ana está hablándome. Notice we had to write the accent mark when we attached it to our present participle. Place any negative expressions before the indirect object pronouns. For example, no les voy a escribir hoy. Nunca nos dicen la verdad. When you use the indirect object pronoun le, it may be necessary to add a usted, a él, a ella, or a plus a noun for clarity and emphasis. Clarity and emphasis is necessary in the third person forms, le or les, because the pronoun can represent so many different people. So, the indirect object pronoun les may be accompanied by a ustedes, a ellos, a ellas, or a plus a plural noun. For example, le doy la receta a usted. Just clarifying who le represents with the clarity and emphasis a usted. If I'm giving the recipe to you guys, or you plural, I may say les doy la receta a ustedes. In this case, a ustedes clarifies who les represents. If I'm giving the recipe to them, I may say Les doy la receta a ellos. We call it clarity and emphasis. Sometimes it's used to clarify. Other times, the direct object has been established at some point in the conversation, but the speaker just wants to clarify, emphasize. So we'll say, le doy la receta a ella. And ella was already established, but the point was just to emphasize her. Now you try. Clarity and emphasis is supplied for you in parentheses. You supply the indirect object pronoun. Marta va a limpiar las ventanas. Nos. Raúl va a buscar las maletas. Raúl me va a buscar las maletas. La señora Martínez les va a preparar la comida. Raúl y Marta nos van a hacer las camas a nosotros.